Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, also known as the Jennifer Monique. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. But yeah guys, it is like 7:17 in the evening and we're just not starting this vlog. I just got finished looking through some comments on my latest YouTube video, which was my DIY bridesmaid proposal box. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll just put a little eye up here. You can go check it out. So if you know anybody who's getting married, it turned out really well. I was really proud of those. So I'm just looking through those. So I'm commenting back. So you already know guys, if you comment down below, your girl's gonna get down up in the comment section with you and we're gonna chit chat. But yeah, so I got a few things from Trader Joe's, and I just want to show you guys right quick before I actually put them up. So hold on, let me just scoop some of this stuff out the way. I actually have the bag right here. So okay, I picked up these what are they called? Quinoa Cowboy Veggie burgers with black bean and roasted corn from Trader Joe's. I'm trying to narrow down on my meat so throughout the week, and I just felt like this would be a very good alternative. So one burger is 180 calories. The only thing is it has 310 milligrams or 13% of sodium, so it is kind of high in sodium. However, you know, I'm just trying to stay away from meat, and even though this is processed, it's still going to help me from staying out of somebody's drive-through line. The next thing I picked up was these Trader Joe's premium salmon burgers. You can grill them, bake them, or pan fry them. I like these. I like to put them in the air fryer and cook them for like maybe 15-20 minutes, but halfway through I like to season them up. One of these is actually just 100 calories. Now keep in mind this one too is the highest sodium. It's 330 milligrams and 14% is basically in sodium. So even though it is a nice alternative for eating like heavy meats, so you know sometimes even though it's an alternative for me eating like beef and stuff like that, it still has a lot of sodium. But like I said, I'm cutting back on my meat, and I'm kind of switching to more a pescatarian style, I guess, for a little while. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of works for me right now, but heavy meats just is not working for you, girl. Another processed thing that I picked up were these Mandarin orange chicken. These are so bomb. My fiance loves these. For 1 cup of them is 320 calories. I like to actually heat these up in the oven on 400 degrees for 10 minutes, or you can put them in the skillet. I just like popping them in the oven for 410 degrees. You cook them for 20 minutes, but 10 minutes I like to go there and flip them just to make them nice and crisp and golden on both sides. But babe really loves these. I picked up these chicken-less Mandarin orange morsels. They're kind of like chicken nuggets, but they have this wonderful sauce on the inside of it. It's kind of like sweet orange kind of flavor. You just pop them in the oven and then you toss them after 9 minutes, and then the sauce, you just put them in a warm bowl full of water and for the sauce, and then you just pour the sauce over the chicken-less morsels once they're finished. For this whole bag is 530 calories, so this is a whole meal. I usually only eat half the bag, which is probably like 270 calories. I usually just eat half the bag if I'm going to eat these, but I love these, y'all. Now to go with the Mandarin orange chicken or my chickenless Mandarin morsels, I picked up this vegetable fried rice here. I love this, but this whole bag is like 650 calories. So I usually only eat a cup of this, and that's like less than, like a little over 200 calories for like a cup of this rice. I usually have this with my chicken morsels when I eat half the bag, but these are super easy to cook. You can just put it on the oven with like a teaspoon of vegetable oil and then let it cook for like 5 minutes on medium heat. Just making sure that everything's defrosted and cooked at least to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah. So that's all I picked up. It is a lot of processed food, but every time I go to Trader Joe's, because we don't really have a Trader Joe's here, we always have to travel to Louisiana, which is 2 hours away, and go to Trader Joe's there. So when I go there, these are usually the things I picked up. The only new thing I picked up from that was like that premium salmon burgers. That's the first time I picked those up. But I tried the salmon burger, so that's how I know how it tastes. But yeah, that's usually what I pick up when I go to Trader Joe's. But let me know if you have a Trader Joe's near you. Let me know in the comment section, what all items do you buy, because we have to take a hike, it's a drive to get to Trader Joe's, and I be wanting to venture out and try different things, but I don't be knowing what to get. So if you have ideas what I can pick up from Trader Joe's, let me know. Just let me know. I'm trying to stay away from processed food, but when I go to Trader Joe's, I feel like the only thing I pick up there is like this processed food there. So yeah, I don't mind picking up processed food because it's not like I eat it all the time. Like we may cook one of these meals this week and probably another one next week. So we'll just see.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Okay, so these workout pants I actually got from Old Navy. You guys, if you're not shopping at Old Navy for your workout pants, you are asleep. Like, these things just snatch you right up in the waist. They don't move while I'm doing my workouts. Like, I absolutely love them. So I highly recommend checking out Old Navy workout pants because they are bomb.
You are, and you will like me just the way I am, and I will like you just the way you are. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Alright, so I'm getting ready to hop on this bike and do me a 45-minute ride with Alex. So I love my Peloton bike, and if you have a Peloton, go follow your girl at the Jennifer Monique, same as my YouTube name, so we can be friends on there. But y'all, I love my Peloton bike. It was such a great investment.
Shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
Recalibrate your mindset. Give it your all today. If you fail forward, fail fast, fail here.
Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
So because I don't like going to bed on a full stomach and it's late, so I'm just going to go ahead and make me a quick protein smoothie for the night. I'm just using my Herbalife mixture. I believe it's the strawberries and cream, and then the protein mix is just vanilla. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use, I think it's caramel pecan skinny syrup. So You guys already know how I make it. If not, I'll leave the video down below so you can just see how I make my protein smoothies.
In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed. Undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this gift together for a coworker. We're doing Secret Santa, and she is a big University of Alabama fan. She is Roll Tide till she die. So I thought this cute tumbler that I got from the what you call it, like the sports store, it's like half Alabama and half Auburn. So I went ahead and picked her up this tumbler, and she loves drinking her nice cold brew. So I got her this cute Alabama cooler koozie, and it has like the bedazzle on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together so it'll be ready for the Christmas party.
As we dance, it's you and midnight. You know we could get undressed. Undressed. Look in my eyes and holding me close. I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because your girl has big goals and big dreams, and I can't do it without you. So until next time, I love you and be blessed. Oh yeah, and happy holidays, or for those, Merry Christmas.